Slow site speed. Slow site speed can deter people when they try to access content on your page. Inevitably, slow site speed will cost you hard-earned SEO traffic. Having invested your time and efforts to drive traffic from SERPs is basically futile if the page takes too long to load. You can measure your page speed by looking at the following performance metrics. Page load time. This is the amount of time that passes between when the browser sends the request to the server when your page fully loads and renders. Page load time can be assessed using the following factors. First, Contentful paint. FCP is one of the metrics tracked in the performance section in a Google Chrome Lighthouse report. It measures the time, in seconds, it takes for your browser to render the first piece of DOM document object model content after a user navigates to your page. Here's an example of the time series of the FCP. First, Contentful paint. Time to interactive. Time to interactive, T, is a metric that captures page load speed. In other words, T is the measure of the time taken for the page to become completely interactive. The D score is collected based on data from the HTTP archive. Here's an example of the D time series. Time to interactive. Time to first byte, TTFB. The amount of time between when a request is sent to the server and when the browser receives the first byte of data. Possible fixes. Run your web page through the Google PageSpeed Insights to check the performance of your page to help you understand more about your site speed. Several factors can cause the delay of your page load time, including image size and format. Set the image size to 72p with the help of picture editing tools and using image formats like JPEG 2000, JPEG XR, and WebP to help decrease the bandwidth used up by images. Redirects. Although some redirects are unavoidable, fixing them will increase serving speed. Prepare a site audit of all the internal URLs that are causing the redirects and repair them. JavaScript and CSS. Compress JavaScript and CSS code by using shorter names for variables to reduce the size and, in turn, increase the loading time.